So hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how you can actually install the IDEs that you can actually use for Python development. One of the wonderful tools you can actually use out there is the Anaconda distribution. The advantage of using the Anaconda distribution is one, it comes pre-installed the Python interpreter. It has two wonderful IDEs that you can use, which are the Spider and the Jupyter Notebook. And also it has some of the libraries you need for data science and machine learning. So it's pretty cool to install and very straightforward. You don't need to add anything to that or start linking it with any of the IDs for it to work. Once you install the Anaconda distribution, the Spider and the Jupyter Notebook start working straight up. No additional linkage, no adding anything to that. So let's say you can actually install this on your PC. So just come over to your browser and then type Anaconda distribution. And then come over to this first prompt that opened here. So once you are here, you are already at the download. So it will require you to provide email. Just say skip registration, and this is it here. Just click download, and then the ID will start downloading. All right. So in my case, it has actually started downloading. So the Anaconda distribution is downloading and we can actually see it right here. So it's pretty cool to install. You just need to double click to install the software. So you click next, agree. So as you're running the installation, you can actually select just for me or for all user, depending on your preference in your PC. Next, next. Okay, then don't select add to path or just leave the selection as it is and then click install. So, and it will start to install the Anaconda distribution for you on your PC. So let's wait till the installation is done. So currently, the Anaconda is done installing. So we click next and finish. Okay. So once we are done installing the Anaconda, so we are going to come to open the IDE. So we open the IDE through the PowerShell that comes with the Anaconda. It is called the Anaconda prompt. To open the Anaconda prompt, we just come to the search and type Anaconda prompt. Okay, so we run the Anaconda prompt. So this is Anaconda prompt. So you just type spider. So if to open the spider ID, you just type spider and hit enter. Once you hit enter, it's going to open the spider ID. So it's going to take a while. So this is the Spider ID. I will just wait for this loading here to be done loading so that the console here will start working. Okay. All right. So it's up and ready. So um just like every other idea, you have the file. You can actually create new file or open already existing file, and the shortcuts are here. So I can actually click here to create a new Python file, which is this untitled. So it's very easy to use. Can just run a little testing now. Okay, I say this is spider IDE. So, and to compile, you just hit on this run button here. Okay, and it's already compiled. Look at what we're actually trying to print. This is okay, this ID spider. Okay, I actually have to put S here. This is spider ID. Look at it. This is spider ID. So this is just how simple it is to actually use spider. And to save your file, just come to save, click as save as, and you'll be able to save your file. So I can decide to save mine on documents. And I'll just say first code dot py. Okay. You save every Python file with the extension .py. This indicates that it's a Python file. So after writing the file name, you say .file and I will click save. So I've been able to save this particular code. So I can keep on coding and coding and coding. So with this, our Spider ID is already working very well on the Anaconda distribution. You see, we don't have to link anything. You just install and it is good to go. Same with if you want to use the Jupyter notebook on the Anaconda ID. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.